Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Free CA Classes. So आज मैं आपके लिए लेके आया हूँ CA इंटरमीडिएट के लिए पेपर 2 कंपनी एंड अदर लॉज. So the faculty who is teaching the classes is Sanyog Vyas. He is on an academy. Actually, he has left the Unacademy platform on Unacademy platform. So he is an ex-educator right now, but he has taken many classes in for CA intermediate, for special classes also, and actually he has taken many classes on YouTube as well. As you can see on this channel, Unacademy CA Intermediate Pro channel, he has taken one shot revisions and as well as a quick revisions, and these classes are actually total there are 26 classes, and one class comprises of almost about 2 hours, 2.5 hours, as you can see over here, and he has actually completed all the course. You can visit this link uh, through the sheet that have been uploaded here. So as you can see over here that I have updated this sheet, and the link for this sheet has been given below in the comment section. You can find the description. What you can do is you can directly click on this Unacademy link, and then it will direct you directly on this website. If this website asks you for any kind of code, then you can update you can provide the code plus QR 247, and you can unlock these classes for free. These classes are absolutely free. Actually, he has taken 4 classes for CA intermediate on an academy platform and special classes, and majority of his classes are taken on YouTube platform. So I have provided the link over here, the playlist, so you can watch him. He's an excellent educator. Actually, he provides classes for judiciary, so his command on law is excellent, I would say. So you can go check it out, and if you like these videos, please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon button. And thank you for 210 subscribers. Thank you for those who have been subscribed to me. Kindly share these videos to others as well as those who are in need. Thank you so much.